In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching an app you wanna use in this view on the top half of your screen and accessing it in the background like that. Now, click on the icon of an app at the top left corner and select Split Screen from the pop-up. Then tap on the second app you wanna use and enjoy operating in both at once. If you wish to go back from this view, you can either go back into the background and swipe them like you would any other app, or you can hold this line in the middle and drag one all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button to close the remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!